Welcome back, everyone. It is Tuesday, the 22nd of January. So what I'm going to quickly cover, obviously it's been a really good day, not doing much, but leaving the account and its drawdown to come back, which has been remarkable, if I'm honest. So I'm just going to show you the pound US dollar. So you can see from our previous video, you can see where we looked to enter in the market, obviously all the way up to 129. The price has smashed through 129. You can see an alert set at obviously 1292.67. And I'm going to be honest, what I've been doing is trade breaking the price all the way up past this level. So let me just get you back on the little £500 account start. There you go. So you can see from our big sort of £60, £70 drawdown we had, we're back down to £4.32. And we've actually made over 20% on this account now. So looking at our current drawdown to how much profit we made within a week or two, only on a small account, we've made about 20% very safely. So hopefully over the last few weeks, I've showed you how hard people tend to make trading when you don't actually have to make it very hard. You know what I mean? People just aren't patient enough to make their profits. Just so you can see, obviously we did miss a few videos. Let me just get the account history up. As you can see, we still haven't had any losing trades. So you can see there I had a 61p swap. I still managed to make sure it was £3.5. Nice little £6 one there. Remember, only trading at pennies. I did do a little bit of scalping at one lot. You can see there. Once I made around about 0.5% to 1% of my original equity, which was about £5-6, I quickly got out of them trades. And you can see there, with the price going up exactly how it's been doing really nicely, I've literally managed just to close out nearly 1% of our original equity. Obviously there, nearly 1% of our original equity. That one was for 50p. That was another little scalp trade I've done, 3.88. And you can see there that we're up £101.84, which it has been great. And like I say, I'm gonna work with this account with you guys till we can get it to about £1,000, double the account. And what I'll do is start really giving you guys some sort of set and forget single and individual trades. Okay. So just a quick one. What I do want to be looking at, just to take our next trade, is the New Zealand Japanese yen. So I'm just going to quickly find it. I've been looking at this one throughout the day. I've missed getting in a little bit early, but you can see here, look, from obviously the flash crash and Brexit, you got 1 zone, 2 zone, 3 zone, 4 zone, 4.5 zones without a full retracement. So if you can imagine, this has gone up 1, 2, 3, 400 pips. Well, 4.5 pips. So you're looking at about, on this currency, 4.5 pence to obviously the Japanese yen. So that is a big move in foreign exchange. So what I'm going to do is we're going to take a little short on this. Okay, just remember the spread will be slightly higher. So on my account, you can see that actually it's not a lot at all. So we're going to put a new trade. We're going to go in short. And there's literally a minimum of 50 pips before our next target. So we'll just get in the trade now live. I'm only going to go in at 20 pence a pip. Market execution, going to sell this market. So you can see there's our little trade, guys. Look at that, 0.2 at the moment, 0.1. So the spread's next to nothing. And just a quick measure. Yeah, look, it's 55 pips before our first sort of take profit level, which is good. I'm going to run this, guys, down to about 72. Depending if it does go against us, we're going to try and grab about 200 pips on retracements. So what I do want to do is 74,000, 75,000, and 76,000. I'm just going to put our first order in. So I want to put a new trade in, new order, 0.2. I want to go down to New Zealand Japanese yen. New Zealand Japanese yen. Just always make sure you're on the right currency because that can be carnage. 0.2, I want to put order above, so pending order. So I'm going to want a sell limit because it's above price. And then we said 74,000, didn't we, at first? So 74,000. Brilliant. And I'm also going to put another one, just in case I'm not going to be watching this order. That's 75,000. It's defaulted back again. New Zealand, Japanese yen. Pending order. We sell limit at 75,000. Just double checking everything. Perfect. Then what I will do there, guys, just get a little chart up. That window. There you go. You can see we've got some nice, obviously, return levels. So one about 40 odd pips away, then there you go. 40, 50 pips, and another one 100 pips. Let's double check in. Perfect. Right, so we're going to literally walk away, guys, and leave that one. You can see it's in profit at the moment. I'm not worrying too much if it does go out of profit, but this is going to be our next little trade we're going to be looking at. So, guys, I hope you're enjoying the channel. Please like, subscribe, and I will make sure that there'll be plenty more videos, and you can obviously join this journey of building this really, really small account up. And the reason I've gone in for a really, really small account at first is to trade a small account creates a lot more discipline, and it is a lot harder than a large account because obviously you've got to risk manage a bit more, and you've really got to stick to your rules. Okay, so this is the reason we're doing is making £1,000 off £100,000 accounts not very hard, but to make £1,000 off of a £500 account is extremely hard. So that's why we're going to go for the smaller end of the scale. Right, guys. Well, I'm just going to log off, and I'll see you soon.